In my folder, I have a picture file, a.gif. And this is how this one looks like. I want to add this picture onto the canvas. So it's like this. So you need to download the picture file. It must be GIF, GIF, GIF file, or PNG. Not JPEG. Must be GIF, PNG, not JPEG. Alright. So right here it's in my folder already. So I'm gonna add this picture file on my canvas. And the same thing, if you want to add a picture file, you need to figure out where you want to add a picture file. So first of all, let's load the picture onto the canvas. And that's how you do it. Photo image file a.gif. Because in my folder here, the picture file name is called a.gif. So I'm calling a.gif. This one right here, I'm calling it right here now. And after this, I need to decide where I want to load the picture on the canvas. Means you still need to figure out XY. So this is what I do. This is what I do. Create image, and I decide to put it at 400 by 400 northwest direction, and load the image here. And at the end, you add update. So let's see what I get. You can see I have a picture right here. That's how I put a picture on. Look at that. That's the picture I put it on here. Photo image to load a.gif, and the create image x 400 by 400. So this point here is a 400 by 400. If I give a different number, I will move it around. And then you add anchor at an image and do update. And you can add as many pictures as you need here. So for example, right here, I'm going to make a copy here, but I will change the position here. So this one, 400, I'm going to change to 350. How's that? 300. And that one, I move it up a little bit here, saying 380. Let's see how this one looks like. Okay, I don't need this one here. Call this as pick 2. So syntax error. Yeah, I missed a comma here, right? Missed a comma. So you can see I have 2 pictures here now. Look at that. If I know how to add 2 pictures, I can add as many pictures as I want. Alright, next let's do something interesting. I'm going to move the picture. So want to move the picture and also create some delay. Let's do this here. So let me comment out this one here. We don't need this anymore. We just want to work on the first picture and then move it around. First of all, let's go to the top here. And here we do this, import time. Import time. This is the library that we use. And after this, we can call the timer to create a delay. So let's do this here. Alright, I call w.move, pick one, that is pick one here, and minus 15, so each time we move to the left by 15, and 0 means no change on no change on y, but we only change x, we don't change y, so no change on y, 0. If you want to change y, you can add a different number there, so it will go up and down. But here we only do x direction horizontally, so we move to the left, but give a negative number. If you want to move to the right, give a positive number. If you want to move up, give a negative number. If you want to move down, give a positive number. And we also create a delay by calling sleep. 0.5 seconds delay and call update. Let's see how this one looks like. You can see it's moving a little bit here. Look at that. Let me run it again. See, it's moving. So I keep doing this here. And all I do is add another copy here, run it again. Right, so if I keep doing this one here, so I make a few copies of this. Now let me run it again. Alright, so I can keep doing this here. I can change the size and also the speed. So if I make it a little faster, change to 25. $35, $45, $55. I can keep changing like this to see how this one looks like. By giving different number, you will see different speed. You see, that's how it looks like. So by adding more and more move, and you can also change a y value here so that it can move up and down. So that's how you move the pictures.